Hello, welcome back. So today I'm at the Fullerton Hotel in Singapore with Aftab, who's currently hiding here. So we checked in yesterday, and oh my god, our stay's been amazing so far. So I'm going to show you around the room. It is stunning and we have the most amazing view. So let's go. Alright, so you come into this cute little hallway here, and directly here you've got this big long mirror, and then the bathroom with a gigantic bathtub, ignore my clothes, and then nice big sink and big mirror, and then the shower. I won't lie, the shower is not great, it's very dribbly, it's not the most powerful shower in the world, but look at this, when you come into the toilet, the seat automatically lifts up, which has been giving us a lot of entertainment. And then you come back out here and you've got this closet space. Your suitcase is in the way. Plenty of space. You've got fancy slippers, fancy robes. And then, oh gosh, I'm just breaking it. What is in this? Oh, that's the iron and ironing boards. Handy. Rooms do not come with an Aftab. I don't know why you're hiding. And then here we have our lovely bedroom. And this is a Quay Twin Room, I think. I will double check. But, so it's a twin room. And it's just your standard. You've got plug points next to the bed, which I love. You've got all the lights, all the curtains, everything is next to the bed, so you don't have to kind of crawl across the room in the dark. Ignore all of our mess. Actually, that's all my mess. But yeah, and then you've got your classic coffee machine. They do these really cute little bottles where, oh my god, I forgot to show you the water filter. So in here, there is a water filter. That's just my makeup remover, but there we have this little water filter, and I won't lie, it's not great. It's a bit, again, it's dribbly. The water pressure here is not good, but it's filtered water straight from this little tap, so you can fill up your bottles, these cute little bottles here, with filtered water, which I love. There's also this little mini bar, and then here you've just got a random table with an office chair. Oh, it's a desk. It's just a desk, but we've also got some free bottles of water there as well, and some nice fruits. One thing I do think is missing though is like a nice little dressing table here with a mirror. It's quite annoying having to do makeup standing up, but never mind. In these, I don't think there's anything in here. I think this is just extra storage. No, there's nothing there. Okay. And then this is the view from this side, and then we have a balcony. Okay, open this way. It's been raining today. How do you... Oh, there we go. Okay, it's been raining, so it's all wet, but this is our view. Like, how stunning is this? Absolutely beautiful, just perfect. Okay, so that is the room tour. It's a very basic room tour. Honestly, this hotel has been stunning. We absolutely love it. I've always wanted to stay here, and this is the view. I'm so happy. It's just lovely, and I would highly recommend. But yeah, the shower's not great. I'd say the only downside so far is the shower. Aftab, do you have any downsides so far? No, we're happy with the space. Yeah, for me it's just the shower, it's just so weak, but that's it. But apart from that, it's a great room, highly recommend. Perfect location, right in the middle of everything. I'm gonna figure out how to close this. I'll do that later. But yeah, that's it. This is the room. Anyway, thanks for watching. I will be back soon for more hotel room tours. See you later.